Hi everybody, I would like to share today how to make oatmeal soup an easy way. I grew up with this soup in Ecuador, but I just modified a little bit to make it easier and healthier. So I'm going to use oatmeal, I'm going to use almond milk, and I'm going to use two different kind of onions, red onions and green onions. So come on over and I'm gonna show you. So the only things you're gonna need is a blender and a processor if you don't wanna chop it on your own. So what we want is this consistency, not too much, not too little. And I'm gonna use half to make a little sauteed with coconut oil. And then I'm going to fry the oatmeal. So you're gonna see it. Okay, once it is already fried, you are just going to put this in a like pot, and you are going to add 2 cups of almond milk and let it cook for around like 5 to 8 minutes. We are going to add 1 and 2, and I added 2, but it really depends on how it's gonna work once and we blend it. And then you're just gonna cook it in medium heat and let it cook for around 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, so we are done cooking for like around 6 minutes, and we're just gonna put it in the blender, and we are gonna go ahead and blend everything over, and it's pretty much done. After that, we are going to add the remaining onions to this. At medium heat, we are going to use where we cooked the mix, and then we're gonna use the remaining of the onions. So we are just going to put here, we are going to saute them, and then we are going to put the mix from the blender of the soup, and then it will be ready to go. I saute a little bit of water too, with a little bit of water, and then this I'm gonna pour in here. And it's like you can see the texture is really creamy, if I can say, but it is delicious. I already tasted it. Okay, in the last touch, I'm just gonna put a little bit of sazon from Hoya and a little bit of pink salt. And voila, we have our oatmeal soup. Brian, explain a little bit of the benefits.
Well, on top of the vegetables that we put in, obviously oatmeal or oats in general are just very good. They're full of antioxidants, they're full of fiber, which can kind of help your digestive system and clean fat out of your system.
Yes, so thank you so much guys for watching. This is a really easy and delicious lunch option.